This is DashboardSymbols.com. Here we will replace the dead battery in a post-2020 Hyundai key fob with a fresh one. We will need a new CR2032 battery and the knife edge of our favorite tool. We want to split the fob into its two halves, and Hyundai simply says to split the halves with a sharp tool. They're not kidding. The mechanical key will still need to be removed first. On the back side of the fob, slide the lever shown in the direction of a small arrow seen near the lever, and pull the keyring end, and you have the mechanical key. It will be tempting to slip a screwdriver into the gap left by the mechanical key, but the case does not split here. It does here, but the screwdriver tip did not help. So we slipped the knife edge between the halves here and pushed down to get the first result. Then use the screwdriver tip to finish. You can see the circuit board wants to come away from the front half, but the battery's on the other side. It can be pushed out easily with a fingernail. And there is our 2032 battery. Slip the new battery into place from the top. Don't forget to peel the backing off the new battery if there is one. We are using a lens cleaning cloth to keep skin oils off the battery, but be careful, the cloth makes the battery quite slippery. If you make a final move with a finger, use the cloth to clean what was touched. Make sure the battery markings are up. Snap the two halves of the fob back together, beginning at the bottom. Replace the mechanical key. Then test the locks, and you're ready to go. For help with other push-button or keyless start cars and key fobs from this or other manufacturers, look for more videos from us here on YouTube. Subscribe to this channel or go to DashboardSymbols.com.